Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix your pixelated or blurry text in Photoshop. Now I have a text here, and as you can see, if I zoom it in, you will clearly see the pixelated part of the text, and we don't want that. To fix that, right click on your text, and then you just have to choose between the sharp. This is what it looks like. You can also choose the crisp, and we also have here the strong, and finally we have the smooth option. Now, fixing pixelated text in Photoshop is important for clear, professional, and readable designs. And that's how you fix pixelated blurry text in Photoshop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.